How to booty bounce. Booty bouncing may not come easily to all, but anyone can do it. You may be able to get on the dance floor and booty bounce without any help, or you may feel like you have no idea what you are doing. Whether you have lots of booty to bounce or you have a small booty, you can still booty bounce to your heart's content. The important thing is to focus on having fun and moving your booty to the music. Method 1. Moving your booty to the music. 1. Take dance classes. The best place to learn how to booty bounce is by visiting a dance class. There are so many genres of dance that incorporate swaying your hips and bouncing your butt for sexy movements. Some dance classes to consider taking are salsa. In this dance style you'll be swaying your hips a lot, but occasionally you can do up a booty bounce. Hip hop. This is probably the style of dance that you will booty bounce in the most often. Hip hop involves getting low to the floor and moving to the beat of the music. While hip hopping you can pop, lock, and drop it or do the twerk to incorporate that booty bounce. Zumba. This is the perfect dance class to take if you want to exercise and move your booty. Zumba combines Latin dancing with other styles so you can sway, pump, and move your booty to the music. 2. Move to the music. If you want to booty bounce and feel comfortable and confident at the same time, you need great music. If you are in a club or just at home practicing, put on some soulful music, or music that you can easily dance to. Then, move to the music, feeling the rhythm in your body. Practice shaking and bouncing your butt in different ways. Do the twerk or experiment with other body movements. Bouncing your booty is really all about doing what feels good. The best way to bounce your booty is to get in a position where you are lower to the ground and your knees are bent. Then you'll have more movement in your booty, and it will pop out more. 3. Wear booty-enhancing clothes. To really draw attention to your butt, you need to wear clothes that accentuate your booty. Choose some tight, high-waisted jeans to really round out your behind. Or wear some cut-off shorts to show off your legs. Wear what feels comfortable to you, and what is easiest to dance in. You can also buy booty-enhancing clothes like booty pop shorts, which add extra padding to your butt area. A tight dress or skirt can also enhance your booty by making your waist look smaller and your butt look bigger. Some things you might avoid are looser pants, longer skirts, or flowy dresses. These outfits are cute, but they won't cling to your butt and so your booty bounce will be less noticeable. If you just want to dance and shake your butt and don't care about people noticing, then wear whatever you want. 4. Be confident. One of the most important things to remember when booty bouncing is to be confident. If you look insecure about your booty dancing, people will notice and you won't be able to pull off a really good bounce. Whether you have a small behind or round booty, don't be afraid to shake it. Don't compare your booty to other people's booties. As the saying goes, just shake what your mama gave you. Method 2. Twerking for a booty bounce. 1. Spread your legs apart. Before you start bouncing your booty, you'll want to get in the right position. Start off by standing with your legs apart, wider than your hips. If you want to get lower to the ground, you can spread your legs about 3 feet apart. Make sure you don't spread your legs out too far, as you won't be able to do the proper booty bounce. Keeping them too close together, though, will make it harder for you to go lower to the ground. If you aren't sure how far to spread them, stand with your feet together and then jump your legs out at a comfortable position. If you feel a stretch in your inner thighs, you might have jumped your legs out too far. 2. Bend in a squat. Now that your legs are spread apart, bend your knees so you are in somewhat of a squat position. If you can go lower, then go lower. If not, squat to a position that is comfortable and easy to stay in. Place your hands on the top of your thighs with your fingers turned towards each other. Lean your upper body over just a bit, so that your chest is over your knees, but keep it popped out. In this position, you want to make sure your chest, shoulders, and neck are not hunched over. You don't want to look defeated, but you want to look comfortable and chill. Try to keep your shoulders back and your head up. 3. Arch your back. You have your position, so you can begin to do the moves for a twerking booty bounce. Remaining in your position, arch your back, so that your chest pokes out even more. This will push your shoulders back, and if you were to look at your back from this side, it should form a small scoop. As you arch your back, your butt should pop out and perk up somewhat. If it's not doing this, you may need to arch your back some more or get lower to the ground. Also, your butt size will determine how much your booty pops out. In this move, you are getting down in a lower squat. 4. Straighten or round your back. Take your arching back and pull it back to round it somewhat so that your shoulders come forward and your chest comes in. You don't want to hunch over, but you also don't want perfect posture here, so just relax your back to what feels comfortable. Then, rotate from arching your back to rounding your back at a quick pace, going back and forth from one move to the other. To arch your back, imagine someone is pulling a string attached to your lower back, causing your back to be rounded instead of arched. Your main focus should be on rounding out that part of your back first. You don't want to just hunch over and round out your shoulders. You're also lifting yourself up a little bit. When you are in the arch, you should be in a low squat, but when you round out your back, your squat will lift up. To get the beat of this move, as you are practicing, say the words arch as you arch your back and then drop as you straighten out your back. Essentially, when you arch your back, your butt is perking up and popping out. Then, when you round and straighten your back, you're kind of dropping your shoulders and your butt so that it bounces back to a relaxed position. In this move, your squat should be higher than it was when you were arching your back. 5. Accent your behind. There are 2 ways to do the previous move described. Now that you have practiced generally popping out your booty, you can begin to really draw attention to your booty bounce. The 2 ways to move your booty in this move are: booty up bounce. As you are arching your back, pop your booty up. Before, it may have popped up naturally, but now you really want to put movement in your booty. Imagine something is pulling your booty up by a string. Try to lift it upwards as much as you can. When you arch your back, this move will require more force from your booty. Instead of having our booty poke out on its own, you are going push it out. As you are practicing, every time you arch your back, say up. Then, try to do 5 in a row, saying up, 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 up. Booty down bounce. As you are relaxing your back and rounding it out, think about bouncing your booty down. Instead of focusing on the booty bounce when you are arching your back, focus on the bounce when you are relaxed. Think about pulling your booty down every time you relax your back. When you pull your booty down, you should be squeezing your booty, and this should also cause your butt to round out as if it's curling under. Try 5 in a row saying down, 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 down. 6. Practice with some music. Now that you know the moves, you can practice them with some music. Choose some fast-paced music you can dance to and twerk your booty, making it bounce up and then bouncing it down. If one feels more comfortable for you, then do that one most of the time. Method 3. Toning up your booty. 1. Adjust your weight. Booty bouncing can really depend on the type of booty you have. Bigger booties may be the easiest to bounce, but smaller butts can still be bounced too. However, toning up your booty or changing your diet can always be helpful because you will have more muscle to bounce rather than fat. Fat may jiggle better than muscle, but muscle will look sexier and more sensual. Toning your butt will also give you more endurance when booty bouncing. Because booty bouncing often involves some form of squatting, toning up your legs and butt muscles will help you squat for longer, thus allowing you to booty bounce all night long. If you want to make your butt look bigger, you can exercise, but you may also try eating more. If you are exercising, you will likely be burning more calories, so your body will need more calories in order to keep up. If you already have a big booty and want to tone it up for a better bounce, consider cutting some calories out of your diet and eating more fruits, vegetables, and protein. Also, make sure to drink lots of water. If you are trying to gain more booty, focus on strength training. If you are trying to lose booty, focus on cardio. 2. Target your glutes. There are many ways to tone your glutes, but one really effective way is by doing a glute bridge. Lie down on your back and place your feet on the floor about a foot away from your butt with your knees bent. Slowly lift up your butt from the ground until your knees and thighs make a straight line. Then, lower back to the ground and repeat. For the most effective workout, do this to an entire song. Your butt and glutes are going to burn, but it will really help strengthen and build the muscles in that area, resulting in a bigger looking booty. 3. Strengthen your legs. One of the most obvious ways to build up your leg and inner thigh muscles is by doing squats. Since that's a big part of booty bouncing, squats are the perfect exercise for you. Place your feet hip-width apart and bend your knees while lowering your butt to the ground. Go as low as you can while still keeping your back straight and upper body lifted. Then, lift yourself back up and repeat. To target more of your inner thighs, place your legs farther apart and do plie or sumo squats. This will still work out your legs, but will really target your booty, glutes, and inner thighs. 4. Tone your butt. Some of the best butt exercises are donkey kicks and fire hydrants. Get on your hands and knees, and lift one leg up, with your foot towards the ceiling and your knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Then, pulse that leg up for 12 reps and repeat with the other leg. If you can, try to do 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg, or do each leg for 1 minute at a time. For a fire hydrant, stay in the same position, but lift your leg out to the side, with your knee bent. Imagine you are a dog relieving himself on a fire hydrant. Then, bring your leg back in, keeping your knee bent, and lift it back out again. Do 12 reps and repeat on the other side.